Good day, everybody. Happy Saturday. I'm just out here in the morning. It's about 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. Just outside doing my normal, listening to the world wake up. This is the most beautiful sound to me. Just sitting out here, listening to the water dropping, hearing the frogs happy and awake and singing in the woods. And then pretty soon I'll hear the roosters, the dogs barking, the birds tweeting, cars starting to go by. I encourage everybody to start their day off like this. Quiet contemplation, listening to the world wake up, and listening for the messages that may be coming to you from God, universe, spirit, our ancestors. So if you wake up early before the sun comes out, come outside and talk to God, yourself, the universe, nature. It's a great way to start your day in calmness. Have a good one.